Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to handle missing values in a time series data. When it comes to real world, you will get very noisy data and unclean data which you cannot use directly for your analysis. Okay, and every time it is not possible to remove values which are null. Okay, what you need to do is you need to impute the values from and by using any kind of imputation method for your analysis. It will give you some effective result for your analysis. So without any further discussion, let's get started. Here I have taken one sample data of temperature of 50 days from 1st January to 19th February. In this graph you can see there are multiple missing values present in my data. I cannot remove this data directly because it will not give me right following trend. So what I need to do is I need to impute values. I can impute values by using 4 methods. This is my first method, last observation carried forward. In this method, imputation is made on the basis of previous value in the data. It means that you can see the table. If I want to impute values for 9th January, I need to use 8th January's data values. Here you can replace these none values by using 49.1 average temperature. This is very simple but elegant method where the previous non-missing values are carried or copied forward and replaced with the missing values. I have given one syntax which is used in Pandas library. In this particular method, means we can use ffill function, means forward fill function. Next method is this method is also similar like previous method, but in previous method you were taking missing values from your previous values, but in this method you are taking values from next observation. That means for 9th January you are taking values of 10th January data. You are replacing these none values with 51.9. I hope it's clear now. It is also very simple technique. Here you are using bfill function, means backward fill function. Third method is ruling statistical. Statistical techniques can be used to impute missing values by aggregating the previous non-missing values. Okay, it can be done in 3 ways: simple moving average, weighted moving average, exponential moving average. I have provided 3 different syntax. You can use any of these. Here I am using mean function. Okay, that means you are taking average of previous non-missing values to impute null values. You can see if this is, let's fill this value with 49.1, and to impute these none values you are taking aggregation of these 3 values. Okay, it will lead to around 50.2 or 50.3. Interpolation. This method is best applicable for the data with trend and seasonality. Here missing value is imputed with the average of the corresponding data point in the previous seasonal period and the next seasonal period of the missing values. It is known as seasonal plus linear interpolation also. This technique estimates the missing values by assuming a relationship within a range of data points. Okay, there will be 3 kind of relationship: linear, spline and time. Linear assumes linear relationship between range of data points. It can be increasing trend or it can be decreasing trend. Spline estimates values that minimize overall curvature. It obtains a smooth surface passing through the input current. Sometimes it can be zigzag lines too. Here you will take different 2 points to get some effective result. Time. It estimates missing values by focusing more far away point, it only considered nearby points. Here I have given one syntax which is used in pandas library. I am using interpolate function. Okay, I hope now it's clear to you. You can apply any of this method by considering your data and which trend your data is following. If you like my videos, then hit on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.